We're here with Kelly from Urban Hum, and we're all suited up to find out where honey comes from. Thanks for joining us, Kelly.
It's great to be here. Would you like to try some Mayfield honey?
I can't wait. Some of Mayfield's finest. Let's go find out how it's made.
Great. I think we'll open this one.
Sounds good. Kelly, how many bees do we have here?
So there's probably about 50,000 bees
wow.
in this beehive. Yeah, that's sort of the average that you have in a hive. So I think we should have a look inside.
Oh, I can't wait.
So I'm going to puff a bit of smoke in the entrance.
And why are you doing the smoke?
So the smoke masks the alarm pheromone. When you disturb a beehive, the guard bees at the entrance give off a smell that says, uh-oh, we've got a problem here.
Yep.
And what the smoke does is it just covers that up.
Okay.
So this is capped honey. So what the bees have done is they've collected nectar and put it inside the wax cells, and then they put this wax capping over it, and that keeps it as honey forever.
Oh, wow, a lot heavier than I would have thought.
Yeah, so probably about 1 to 1.5 kilos in one of those. These frames are called Ideal, so they're nice little ones. Shall we go down further into the hive and have a look?
Yeah.
So this is called the queen excluder.
Yep.
So what this does is it keeps the queen down in the lower box because you don't want her upstairs laying eggs in the honey. So she stays down here and lays eggs. Now, it's important to always have a look to see if your queen is on the queen excluder because you don't want to accidentally put her up there.
Yep.
All right, so I'll give them a little bit of smoke. There's a few flying around, and we'll take out a frame and see what we can see. Hopefully we find the queen.
They're busy little things, aren't they?
They are. They're always active, although they do rest for a number of hours each day.
Oh, is that right? Would that be early morning or at night? Or?
I think it's mainly at night. So what we've got here is a frame of brood. So there's eggs on here.
Yep.
So brood is what we call the eggs, larvae, and bees that are not yet adults.
Yeah, just so these look smaller, so they're the younger bees.
Yeah, so these are the younger bees. So a lot of these bees are what we call nurse bees. So their job is to look after the babies. And then these big ones, they're the drones. So that's a drone bee.
Yep. They
don't have a stinger. So I've picked him up by the wings, which doesn't hurt him. Okay, so still looking for the queen. Hopefully we find her soon.
Like an advanced game of Where's Wally.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so she's just crawled under the other side. So what I'm going to do is turn it round. She's hiding. I'll wait till there she is.
Oh,
so
wow.
Can you see her there? So
you
can see she's a little bit longer. So what she's doing is she's looking for an empty cell to lay an egg in.
How many eggs would she lay in a day?
Between 1,500 and 2,000.
Oh, my God. And she does it every day?
Every day.
Oh,
so she's the mother of 99% of the bees in the hive. There she goes. She's laying another egg.
So I imagine the queen bee wouldn't do much, but she's probably the most active bee of the whole lot.
She is, yeah. She's very active. And the other thing is that she has pheromones, so scents that she gives off that keep the colony calm.
Yep.
And can also influence the development of the worker bees, so the female bees in the hive. We've had this hive open for a while now, so we might actually start putting it back together. It's because they have to keep the brood nest, so this part of the hive, at 35 degrees. Obviously, when you take the lid off, you let that heat out. So on a cool day, more heat escapes than on a warmer day, but after a while, they do start to get a bit like, hey, can you put my house back together now? So you got to be careful when you put it back together that you don't squash too many. As we put it back together, they go into thermoregulation mode.
Trying to heat things up.
Yeah, that's right. So they're trying to warm it back up because obviously we have cooled it down a little bit. So, yeah, they'll actively try and warm the hive up now.
They're all behaving now.
They are.
Well, Kelly, that was so interesting. Thanks for joining us today.
Oh, you're welcome, Rosie. I had a lot of fun.